Hey, what is up guys, welcome back. So upcoming Motorola Edge and Edge Plus is arrive and it's coming in upcoming days. We will see more leaks about this phone, and today's video we talking about the leaked and the some renders picture of the Motorola Edge Plus and some leaked image of the Motorola Edge. The Motorola Edge, there have been several Motorola Edge Plus leaks in the past few weeks, but today we get the first info of the Motorola Edge. Good is quite extensive and quickly catch up with its more premium sibling. I also make a couple of days ago of the Motorola Edge Plus video. You can check it out, that video on my channel. So now talking about the today leaks and images, the Motorola Edge will be the mid-range counterpart to the flagship Motorola Edge Plus, which means that it will likely share the same chassis but come with a demodated specs. The Motorola Edge likely take its name from its waterfall screen. Mind you, this is not the most extreme kind of a waterfall screen, and there are a physical volume and power button on the side instead of touch sensitivity ones. As you can see on your screen, the Motorola Edge side also have a headphone jack and a micro SD card slot. These pictures reveal the XDA developer. The leak continued to say the Motorola Edge will have a 64 megapixel main camera as well, a 16 megapixel ultra wide and 8 megapixel telephoto unit. There are a laser autofocus module on the rear, and the Moto logo does not double as a fingerprint scanner. Instead, there is optical fingerprint scanner in the display. On the front side, the 25 megapixel selfie camera placed in cutout inside the screen. Speaking of the screen, the Motorola Edge 6.67 inch 2340 by 1080p pixel OLED with a 90 Hz refresh rate, and it will have a 3 modes: 90 Hz, 60 Hz and auto mode, as you can see on your screen, which will toggle between 1 to as. The picture, as you can see on your screen, it showed the 3 modes: display, refresh rate, 60 Hz, 90 Hz and auto. These picture reveals by the XDA developer. The Motorola Edge will use a Snapdragon 765 chipset with 6 gigs of RAM, and it's unclear whether the phone will have a 5G version or not. It will have a 4500 mAh battery without wireless charging. In contrast, the Motorola Edge Plus will have a Snapdragon 865 with up to 12 gigabytes of RAM, 5170 mAh battery, possible a 108 megapixel camera, and will support a Verizon 5G network. So the Motorola Edge Plus is gearing to release the first flagship in this year, and we have a new set of the render from the Even Blast, also leaks, which give us a full tour of the device. This time around we have also treated a broadly red color variant of the upcoming Moto flagship alongside the previously seen dark blue model. The front houses the curved 6.67 FHD plus display of the Motorola Edge Plus with a punch hole cut out for this selfie camera in the top left corner. The Motorola Edge, which is the mid-range counterpart of the flagship of the Motorola Edge Plus, and also come with the identical waterfall screen. Going around the back, the Motorola Edge Plus, we spot the 3 camera aligned vertical, include a 108 megapixel main shooter. It's joined by 16 megapixel ultra wide unit and 8 megapixel telephoto module with 3x optical zoom. We can also sport an LED flash and its signature Moto dimple. The top feature 3.5mm headphone jack, while the bottom house the SIM card slot, USB-C connectivity and speaker grills. The Motorola Edge Plus is expected to come with a Snapdragon 865 chipset and with a 12 gigabytes of RAM, and also mmWave 5G connectivity and around 5000 mAh battery. So that it's the news of the upcoming Motorola Edge Plus and the non-Plus version. So let me know your opinion about these two smartphones, and also like this video, subscribe for more tech videos, enable the bell icon for latest video notification. I am MKB Captain, sign off. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.